This is something a homeowner could do themselves safely, but what I would highly recommend is two things. Make sure the system is off at the thermostat. I would not advise messing with any high voltage, any power like that. So the best thing to do is shut it off at the thermostat. Make sure that the fan blades are off, everything from there, and take a nice light stream of water and just go over the fins just to get the surface dirt. I would not recommend taking apart any of the equipment for your safety and just for the safety of the equipment itself, getting back together properly. So you can take a nice light stream of water, go at it from an angle, and gently get all of the surface dirt off in kind of a back and forth motion.